Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm hanging out at Animal Kingdom, and it's been a couple of months since I was last here, and just, you know, obviously Christmas vibes. We got the beautiful Christmas tree in front of it, which we'll take a closer look at it in a little bit, but I'm just here to kind of catch the Animal Kingdom Christmas vibes, walk around the park. I don't have an itinerary. I might ride an attraction, maybe two, not 100% sure, but I just kind of want to walk around the park and check out the Christmas vibes here at Animal Kingdom. I invite you to come join me, and let's go have a wonderful day. All right, so obviously since the last time I was here, this Christmas tree was not up. I was here a little bit before Halloween, but it's good to see that they put up the Christmas tree. Obviously all the parks have a Christmas tree as you enter, and I really like this one here. It's kind of been, I think it's been like 2 years since I last saw a Christmas tree here, but you know, we got a lot of Christmas decorations here. I love how they have Chip and Dale there at the bottom. You got this train also. Love it. Really nice tree. It's got Animal Kingdom, obviously. It's even got Tigger, and it's got Piglet there. This is a very nice decorated Christmas tree. So you can see it's very tall. I'm gonna say it's probably 3 stories, 3.5 stories tall. Nice Christmas decorations. Very cool. Obviously there's quite a long line there to get some picture opportunities. Got Eeyore here at the bottom also. Very cool. So yes, I previously mentioned the last time I was here was October the 11th. I made a video here when I went to meet and greet Donald Duck for the first time. But over here, I also noticed that they came out with a new park guide, and I think they did that because Kaitel's no longer around. But yeah, this is the new one. I always, every time I walk into a park, I always grab the guide map just to see if it's a little bit different, and I just noticed it is. Cute.
This is Mama Jen. This is the mom to the 3 different little tiny penguins you see.
Cool. I love when they have these characters out.
You don't want to take a picture of Holly and Mary? Just get in the middle?
Let's take a closer look at the tree here. You can hear the Christmas vibe there in the background. And I believe that they did an update on all of the 50-year anniversary statues. I can feel the vibration now, but I think they did an update on all of them, and we'll kind of wave our magic band to see if that's true. It's kind of hard to hear with all the music in the background. And with me talking, but it's hard to hear with all the music in the background. But it's quite extensive, actually. I didn't expect for it to last that long. You know, it's kind of funny that I've never noticed Dory and Nemo here in this corner here, and so I've never interacted with them actually. So let me go ahead and wave my Magic Band Plus, see if it does anything. I think it takes a little bit for it to reset. There was people just in front of it right now, but I've never noticed them here.
You play a game. Well, hi.
It's a little bit disappointing. You stand here, you know, waving your arms, doing backflips, doing everything you need to do to activate these things, and then all it says is hi? Are you kidding me? So over here, even though they're not performing kitetails anymore, this theater is always nice to come over here, have a nice bite to eat. You can see these people here having an ice cream here. You can get yourself something to eat, come over here, sit down, just kind of get away from the crowd. And the good thing about it also is that the flotillas with the Disney characters also pass by here. So you kind of, you know, greet them and say hello, and they can wave back at you. But this is a nice place where you can come and relax. You know, I'm not sure if they're ever going to do a show here. I'm sure they are at one time or another, but just came over here to kind of relax a little bit and just thought I would let you guys know that this is something that you can do also. So I did decide to ride an attraction, and it's going to be Expedition Everest. Now I am standing on the single rider line, which is pretty much about a 10 to 15 minute wait. In some cases it's even 3 minutes or less. So I decided to jump on it. I think I'm going to be waiting maybe about maybe 7 minutes or so. So I'm very excited. I always love this attraction. It's one of my favorites all time. Expedition Everest, always a fun attraction to come to. I love the fact that depending on who you ride with or who is around you when you ride it, it's a different experience. And in this case, there was a young girl, I believe, that was scared to her wits. And that's what makes it a little bit fun. And you know, not because I'm trying to make fun of the little girl or the little boy. I didn't even really get to see who it was. I was just hearing a lot of like screams, like terrified screams. But it was just a lot of fun. But that little kid or girl, they can say they rode this, and hopefully that fear factor goes away. But this is always an attraction that I like to ride. It's one of my favorites all time.
Wow, look
They're poisonous?
These are bacteria in the saliva.
Yeah, the arms look like so like
It's different kinds of bacteria. You can feel it as it breaks.
Pesado, ¿sabes qué pesan como?
Oh no, it's an ant. That's an ant. Oh, it might be an ant.
it's like tiger's like a thing within the family. Like tigers, it's kind of like tigers are tight.
What do you think of him, Kane? Look, he's getting up.
Yeah, so I came to Animal Kingdom and kind of walked around. Didn't really get to see a lot of Christmas decorations. I didn't really feel the Christmas vibe compared to the other parks, but it was nice to come over here. You know, other than the Christmas tree as you walk in, and before you enter Dino Land, you can see some decorations there as well. But overall, it was a nice day. It was nice to come over here, kind of just scope it around. I didn't spend too much time in the park, again, because I was looking for some Christmas vibes. I didn't really see them. There were some reefs around Africa. They weren't your traditional reefs. They were kind of like African style. But anyway, we came, we saw, and we conquered. And do me a favor, have a wonderful day. Peace!